To create a Threads account, you will need to have access to an Instagram account. Once you have an Instagram account, you can follow these steps to create a Threads account. Enter the Instagram apps. Click on the profile picture in the corner. Click three-dot. Click Get Threads. Download the Threads app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Threads app. Log in with your Instagram account. Confirm your Threads username, bio, link, and profile info. You can also import your information from Instagram. Here you have to click on Continue button. Choose your privacy settings, including whether you want your profile to be public or private. Click on the Continue button. Follow some of the suggested accounts, or add your own friends to Threads. Click on Join Thread. You can now start sharing photos, videos, messages, and stories with your Threads friends.